bigyan ng instruction ng People's Republic of China, obligado siyang sumunod.
Yes, sir.
Yun po ibig sabihin yan.
Opo, Your Honor.
And what are the consequences pag hindi sumunod?
Imprisonment
Ng mga kamag-anak niya sa
ng
China.
mga kamag-anak sa China.
Kaya napipilitan silang sumunod.
Yes, sir.
Pero ulitin ko, hindi naman lahat ng Chinese masama, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Meron lang talaga nagagamit para masira ang ating lipunan. Go ahead, go ahead.
In that statement, Your Honor, we would like to give the commitment of the NBI, especially the Intelligence Service, and the Special Task Force in enforcing all the laws of the Philippines with regard to espionage and any other crimes involving the participation of foreign entities. And as we speak, the entire NBI community is still doing cyber patrolling. That is the reason why medyo safe po ang paligid with regards with the elections. That is all, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Sir. Thank you, sir. NBI, wala na. Department of Foreign Affairs.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The department thanks the Senate Special Committee on Philippine Maritime and Admiralty Zones, especially the chair, and welcomes the continuation of vigorous efforts by the committee to contribute to strengthening the security of the Philippines' national security. And the Department of Foreign Affairs would like to support these efforts. The department takes any infringement of national security very seriously. In this regard, we have conveyed our support for relevant law enforcement agencies as they undertake their respective mandates in relation to alleged espionage and foreign covert operations in the Philippines. We have been in communication with relevant law enforcement and national security agencies on the issue of alleged espionage in the Philippines. We would like to reassure the Senate that we have conveyed our concerns robustly at many levels over the course of regular diplomatic interactions on our concerns and your concerns. So these representations are continuing. We take note that you have advised us to engage more with the public on these types of representations, and we will do what is necessary and appropriate. Finally po, we thank the Senate and we support that you are looking towards crafting laws as you have indicated. This would be most appreciated. We have, of course, before I close, noted your call for us to engage more with the public. So with this, thank
And
you
the other
very much.
agencies as well present here.
Indeed, thank you.
I think one aspect stands out here. Espionage, which is ongoing. Two, another aspect that I'm raising, and perhaps the members, the agencies present here can initiate a study. It is about time that we really invoke national sovereignty side by side with our digital sovereignty. Ginagawa nga natin yung physical space, pinapatrolyahan natin yung dagat, pinapatrolyahan natin ang karagatan, Coast Guard, Navy, PNP Maritime Group, pero is there a cyber patrol out there monitoring all of this? So we have to bear in mind that cyber sovereignty is our right to govern our digital space. Kung pinapasok tayo ng ito, hindi na natin maintindihan, wala na tayong soberenya doon. So naniniwala po ako na ang hindi pa tapos ang isyung ito. Marami pang mga katulad ng Infinitus out there na hindi pa natin nakikilala. Marami pang drones ngayon na nasa ilalim ng ating karagatan na hindi pa nahuhuli. Marami pang mga IMSI grabbers na gumagala sa ating paligid. So we'd like to thank our intelligence community sa mga naganap na pagsasawata. Subalit kulang pa rin. kinakailangan natin talaga ang tulong ng ating mga kababayan, ng ating mamamayan. Kung mahal niyo ang Pilipinas, ay tumulong po kayo sa cyber security. Tumulong po kayo na kontrahin ang mga espiya dahil ang pinapahina niyan ang ating lipunan. Muli po, nagpapasalamat ang committee ito kay Senator J.B. Ejercito sa kanyang pagdalo at sa lahat ng ating mga resource persons na naririto. Yung tamang babalangkasin po nating batas ay batas po para palakasin po ang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng dumalo. This committee hearing is hereby adjourned.